In this video, we will set up, test, and remove systemd timers on a Linux machine. Systemd timers are a modern replacement for cron jobs. First, we create a custom systemd service. Now we create the systemd timer that triggers the service. Reload systemd to apply the new unit files. Enable and start the timer so it runs automatically. List active timers to confirm it is running. Now, while waiting for the timer to get triggered, let's have a deeper look at the structure. Systemd timers were created to replace cron jobs with a more reliable and observable scheduler. They are fully integrated with the system startup process and system logging. A systemd timer never runs commands directly. It always triggers a service unit, which defines exactly what is executed. Systemd timers support different scheduling styles. They can run at fixed intervals, specific calendar times, or after boot. Unlike cron, they can run missed tasks after reboot.f makes them ideal for maintenance jobs and automated system tasks. Every timer execution is logged by systemd. You can inspect output and errors using standard journal tools. Systemd timers are best for system-level tasks. For simple user scripts, cron still works, but timers are the modern standard. After waiting a minute, we check the output file. Now we stop and remove the systemd timer. Disable the timer. Remove the service and timer files. Reload systemd one last time. Remove the test log file. And that was how to set up, use, and remove systemd timers on Debian. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our website. Also, we help instructors create videos and educational materials for their own students. So if you need videos like this for your own channel or platform, check the first link in the description. Thanks for watching.